Baby, that's my boy. You get anything you like. Long as you alright, tell me alright. Me know your man, that's why I like you. To a woman that likes you see bump up the.
Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve. So excited. Christmas is tomorrow. Get to open up them gifts. They're drinking wine. And ting. Yeah, you see Goody have our Christmas stuff on. Yeah. We're supposed to go to a party tonight. But outside it looks so fucking nasty, yo. Oh shit. I need to not swear on the vlog. There might be kids on here, you know? Yeah, I did my hair. Made a wig. And I dyed it orange at the ends. It looks so nice. Ride a dick like a BMX. No nigga wanna be my ex. When he go on tour, cause he comes more when I see him, I get upset. Oh my god. Oh, do it for the vlog. Do it for the vlog. Yes, I'm
saying vlog on your phone.
Yes, because I need to get a camera first. But what's wrong with vlogging on your phone? Enough people vlog on the phone. Oh boy. Guys, she called my orange hair pumpkin.
It's so not really orange, it's like reddish.
Reddish. Yeah.
Did you dye it that color?
Yeah, I dyed it that color. It's Christmas. So I'm heading off to the party now. I'm so pissed right now because I put on some perfume and I got a stain. And see the other stain right there. I'm so pissed, but guys. Hey, don't mind my socks. I'm wearing some long, you know, the thigh-high boots. So, you know, it's cold outside. Bare snow, so I have to be warm. Yes. Some of my friends, they already left. I have one more upstairs. So we're just waiting on my other friend to come pick us up. It's currently after 1 o'clock. I can't believe I'm leaving the house at this time. Although I always leave out at this time when I go to parties, because you know Jamaican party no start till 2:30, so you don't know 7 or left on 11 o'clock. We left them time here. But where we're going is kind of far, but it's my outfit. My belly is so big, but
feel like one born for live, so every day I smile. But me no want me no focus, but jam, but I with that Jordan. Love the life of me live, and me no want this stuff, yeah man. So me keep it up like heaven, yeah. Look at this and I don't wanna go. That's why I don't want a million for share with me, I'm a friend.
Just listen to song. Fuck off, little girl, when you're talking. Sorry, they buy some flowers. I said, "Bumbo club, man, I got to low. I'm done with that. Fuck that." You say, what's going on? We're not sure about the Bumbo club, pussy. What is the real life?
morning, everybody. Christmas. Yeah. Christmas. No, that's lock the window, man. Lock the window. Boy, me and suffer one hangover. Because last night was crazy. Look at me not even take off her makeup. Me neither. Me still have the red lip. She still have the cherry lip, them. Yeah. Yo, we to wake up Ash, yo. To have my water with me because my voice don't even sound great, but we're gonna go open up some presents, but we need to wake up this girl. Whoa. Ash, what at in you, man?
Yeah.
Ashy. Merry Christmas, wake up. We're gonna open presents. Come, we're gonna go open presents.
Ash not take off yet.
Hey, girl, hey, girl, I go home. Gift panner, yaila.
It's an imperfect place. It's so funny.
Yes, we're gonna go check Andrew. Andrew got this. Indeed, I cook, but maybe even think I'm gonna cook Christmas breakfast. Just was like, I'm hungry. Watch. The Three Fresketeers, yo. Three Fresketeers.
Whoa.
Carry the water downstairs.
Three Fresketeers.
Pass that there. Okay. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, we got the fish back. Oh, fish for me because I'm a vegetarian. Huh? Well, yeah, because, you know, where am I gonna set the food? Open up any of them. Not even showing, bro. I know.
This is the right corner, sir. With infant and speaker.
The lighting don't look. You're welcome, honey. So she opened up my gift to her. This is her gift to me. I know it's perfume. I love perfume. I laugh. Today is outside the candy. Guys, I'm gonna be smelling sweet. Yes, Adriana. Let's say Adriana. Yeah, Adriana. I can smell sweet. Actually, no, some love smells sweet. So thank you. Go on again. Janelle's one is the nice one, you know? So save the nice for last. It's small but it's nice. It's nice. I think it's from my mom. Andrew, this one is Ashani, right? Yes. From my mom. There's more gifts, but some of them I don't even know who's for. This one is not a surprise because I bought it from my mom said this is for me, but she made me buy my own gift. So it's not a surprise, but I'm gonna act like it's a surprise. Oh my god! I got it again! Yeah! I love perfume, guys. I am Juicy Couture. Yeah, it smells nice.
That's their stuff.
Yeah, again. I got this last year and I loved it, so I said I want it this year. Okay. Card. Let me kill girl.
You love that?
Huh?
Ashani? Hold on there, Ashani. You love that? Ashani, you love that? I'm gonna buy that.
It looks cute, I love it.
Is it? It's a bracelet?
Hey, that no.
Look how nice this looks.
Oh, it's a watch.
The watch looks so pretty.
Oh, yeah.
It looks so pretty.
Nice.
And if you wear it with a black suit, you have article black suit, it would look nice. We'll start wear what 2018 or what we are wearing. And donate. I can't open envelopes. So.
Nigga, is that how you open the envelope? Bro, show them. Look at how this girl opened the envelope right now.
Merry Christmas, guys. A special wish for a special girl. I'd like to show y'all what's in here. A very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to a girl who's just as precious as an angel all year through.
I'm naughty.
Well, she bought me money. I bought money. Okay, guys. So hers now.
It's
smaller.
The one you from again.
It's smaller, but I know that she will love it because they just know that they love it. I knew she'd love it, guys.
Wow, I actually like it.
No, she don't have to use mine. Yes. Watch it, go step forward to my I
totally forgot I told you I liked it.
Yes, no, you didn't have to tell me. Like, you just use mine. I was actually gonna get you the glow kit, but those all sold out.
Yeah, I love this. Thank you.
No problem. Yes, guys, that was our little Christmas. You know, our little Christmas gifts. We're older, so you don't know. Say, we're not gonna get enough gifts as always. True. Yeah. But we still have to be thankful for the gift of life. So, talking so loud.
Part 2 coming soon, guys.
Yeah, part 2 coming soon.